Nick from SEMA 2024, like you have never seen it before. This is the day before the SEMA show. Ivan's off doing Ivan things. Our team's off getting the logistics set up, but our booth is here. We have been working on this all year. We're so excited to show it to you. Real quick, because I'm excited to show you this. New boxes for our ceramic coatings. That's just a little sneak peek. Just a little sneak peek. Our cordless polishers, they're being held in a safe place. But I want to show you around the SEMA show because I have never been here on a day like this where there isn't even carpeting on the floor. The booths are being set up. It's kind of fun. There's so much possibility in the air. So many exhibitors from around the world. If I can bring you into our booth here, some of it's set up, some of it we already put out and then put away, but we're going to be showcasing our C6 ceramic line. You may not even know we have a marine coating at C6 Ceramics. Of course, we've got diamond, gloss, hydro, and C6 Hydro Light. Polishers, Amy, our wonderful customer service rep here is, Amy, how are we feeling?
Oh, this is exciting. I mean, it's my first time here, so.
I've got you mic'd up here.
Oh, I don't know what to expect. I mean, this is my first time, and I'm here as a support system, so I'm really excited to be here. And
if you've never seen Amy, now you have. Amy, we love you. We're excited to have you here.
Thank you very much.
And how was our setup earlier? It was good.
Oh, it was fantastic.
It was good.
Yes.
But we're putting it away because it's still so early that we don't want any of it to walk off. We have a long week ahead.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Amy. Carry on. Anyway, I'll put this here. We're gonna keep walking around. We're walking around the SEMA show like you've never seen it before. Sylvie LaCroix behind the camera, doing an amazing, fantastic job. There are many convention halls. This happens to be one of them. We're in the North Hall, booth 12747. You can see here, these booths are very much being built as we speak. This is a huge event. Folks from all over the world are here, and a lot of money gets invested in these booths. So it's really cool to see how every booth is a little bit different. This is our first time at the SEMA show. I'm ecstatic to be here. Ivan's been doing this for decades, but there is just so much sensory overload. You try to walk this show in a day, it's not gonna happen. You can do your best. Wear some comfortable shoes. We've got window film, paint protection film here, Autobahn, all kinds of amazing vehicles already on display. And it doesn't get old, it just becomes sensory overload. Look at this, I can't even walk here. It's gonna look way different tomorrow. It's kind of hard to believe how it's all going to change. We're walking, we're talking. Leave in the comments below, what are you excited about? Are you excited for our cordless polishers? You excited for our wax coming out? You excited for our new boxes on the coatings? There might be some information on the coatings that we're gonna reveal at SEMA this year as well. But I mean, it's so cool because all these companies have so much invested in SEMA. It's a really great opportunity to network and to showcase what folks are all about. But to see everyone kind of putting their best foot forward here is very fascinating. If you're into cars, obviously SEMA is the show to be at. I'm talking, I'm looking, I'm trying not to trip. We have so many different brands here. A lot of these folks I've never heard of, but I can't wait to learn more about them. But speaking of a brand that I have heard of, look at this, one of our distributors, the House of Rags here. They're set up as well. We've got Detail Co., their house brand, and I believe Clean by Pan, the organizer. So this is gonna be a very busy booth. And I see a little DIY detail right here, one of the amazing brands here at House of Rags. They're gonna be all set up as well. So kind of a dress rehearsal for the big show today, Monday. SEMA as you've never seen it before. If you've never been here before, I want to point to ours. We kind of tower a little bit, don't we? We have kind of a tall booth there, so we're really excited that you'll be able to find us, hopefully. But again, booth 12747 in the North Hall. If you're into overlanding, if you're into RVs, buses, cars, trucks, bikes, anything with wheels, man, there is just so much going on here. That looks like a very comfy mattress. I think Amy from our customer service team, our customer service manager, I think I misspoke earlier, called her customer service rep. She lives out of a bus, so she would appreciate this greatly. Folks, leave in the comments below, do you like videos like this? I'm just trying to give you a little feel for what it's like to actually be here at the show. I've done this for many years. I've never seen it under construction like this. I don't know how it's all gonna come together in less than a day because there's a lot to do. What's going on, guys? How we doing? Just doing a little walk and talk video. This looks like a very interesting booth. Yeah, I see graphene there. Not sure what this brand is, but I think there's a lot of brands out here that I've never heard of, and I'm excited. It's also really cool to be like, you're not alone, you know? This automotive industry is so big. Holy cow. See, this is what you came for. This is the thumbnail pick right here, like, gorgeous paint. I know Ivan says when you get up close at SEMA, you know, you're gonna see all the scratches, but this paint looks really good to me. I think it's just been wiped down and polished to a showroom shine. Sylvie, doesn't this paint look amazing? Yes. Yeah, this paint looks fantastic. So, holy moly, man. All right, I'm gonna walk and try not to trip and dance a little bit. How we doing? The vibes are high, the carpets are low. We got trucks behind it, we got all kinds of equipment. Not a truck. People are loading, unloading. Can I step on this carpet? What do we think? Let's go this way. We're gonna walk a little bit longer. And as we give you a final kind of look here, I don't know if there's much else to show. Oh, there's kind of cool. The global leader in robotic arc welding technology. You might think SEMA is all about fancy cars, but all kinds of different technology out here. And companies doing what they do. We've got aftermarket Tesla replacement parts. Wow. Welding. This is fascinating. And then Sylvie, we have aftermarket Tesla accessories and parts here. Why not showcase that? There's a tent behind this Tesla. Man, there's so much to see here at the SEMA Show 2024. So that's about all I got for you. I was gonna interview people, but I don't even see them around. We're coming, we're going, we're showcasing products, we're having a great time. What do you want to see from SEMA? We're just trying this. We're gonna bring you behind the scenes, hopefully a little raw, uncut footage. As always, folks, we appreciate all of your comments, and we'll get to them as soon as we can. If you're at SEMA, again, booth 12747 in the North Hall. We'll see you there.